This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Catos. Fabulous 2-story in old stone phase 1. True hardwoods, coffered ceilings, crawlspace construction, smooth ceilings and granite/marble/tile. Soaring ceilings in greatroom. Open floor plan. Inviting kitchen island with breakfast bar is perfect perch for friends to enjoy while you put finishing touches on a meal. Entertainers dream of a back porch that is expansive at 21 by 12 feet and extends to lower patio. Privacy fenced yard. In addition to main level primary suite, there is a 3/4 bath ensuite upstairs, plus spacious 3rd bedroom and bonus room, or 4th bedroom, that share a lovely hall bath. 2-car garage, powder room and more. Just steps from pool and clubhouse. Athens City and Athens City. For more information.